When it comes to responsible gardening, we have to strive to be mindful of water usage. Planting water-wise is no longer a curse. It can actually be quite cool. And we simply need to understand that by grouping plants according to their watering needs will help you to use water more efficiently and less. Here we have a show garden designed by Carly Blankenvoort that focuses on water-wise gardening principles. The garden is divided up into 1, 2, and 3 drop zones, plus a whole lot of flair. The 1 drop zone being those plants that are most water-wise by requiring the least amount of water. Typically, those plants are the gazanias, which not only have a great use of low water, but they're also pretty funky with their beautiful faces that open up as soon as the sun rises and then they close again late in the afternoons. Other plants that have been used which are incredibly effective in any garden setting, and not only if you are thinking of grouping plants, are the beautiful agapanthus, indigenous beauties that come in so many different colors, from whites to blues to even a velvet blue, and they work very effectively in any garden. The garden also has 2 different pathways, one with a ground cover in between the pavers and the other a more haphazard crazy paving with fine gravel in between. Now these 2 areas are so important to understand, because instead of grouting in between the pavers with concrete, rather permeable products have been used so that when it does rain, the water can seep through there and not simply wash off. When you have areas like that with grouting in between, when we have huge deluges of water, well, that actually creates more flooding in the rest of the garden. So think about this whenever you're laying a paved pathway, to make sure that you have something permeable in between. I do also love the backdrop of the beautiful metal facades. They really just add a bit of extra zhuzh into the garden, really break that long hard wall, and this idea can be used in a garden that's small and even in a large garden.